All right, guys, hello, we're back again, and I've got a total of 4 of these $10 grab bags from Michael's. So this is going to be one of 4. So these are not, when I talked to the lady at the store, these are not like Christmas or anything. They said there's just random things that that are probably clearance and that they grabbed from around the store. So this could have any kind of stuff in it, just whatever Michael sells. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what goodies we find. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. All right. So it looks like we've got some wooden letters. We've got an X, an H, an O, an R, another X. So yeah, these were all just, if you see, they're like clearance items. These were all marked $3. And then, oh, we have actually quite a bit of vinyl in here. So we've got this vinyl. It's like mermaid scales. We got removable matte vinyl, and this one says $12 alone on clearance. And then we've got some of this mosaic. This is actually an iron-on. We've got more of that mosaic one, and here's another one. This one looks black. And then, oh, we do have some Oracle vinyl. This is a permanent, and it looks like it's a blue color. These are kind of nice. And oh my gosh, there's so much in it. So looks like we have a lot of these chalk markers. We've got pink, green, gray, another pink. Here's another pink. Here's another one, it's gray. Here's another one, fluorescent green. Here's another one, fluorescent green. Here's another one, a fluorescent green. Oh my gosh, there's just so many of them in here. We got green, pink. And then it looks like, are these beads? I think these are beads. Oh, they're buttons. So a whole big thing of buttons. We've got this color. We've got this color. We got purple, blue. There's all kinds of these little buttons. We got this one. Oh my gosh. And each one of these are $2 on clearance. So I mean, for a $10 box, this is actually pretty good at this point. And then we got paints. I've got blue, brown, another blue, brown, blue, brown. Here's a gray, another blue. I mean, each one of these paints are $2 a piece. And mind you, these are clearance prices. And then it looks like we've got some more buttons. I'm not sure what that is. Some more markers. Looks like just a little notebook carrier. Some, looks like stuff for resin. And then we've got tons of these little beads, or like things to bejewel with. I mean, there is tons of these in here. And each one of these are $3 a piece. Like, I mean, there's so many of them. I mean, all kinds of colors. These are actually pretty nice. some more charm. Oh, here's some more beads. These are all charms, so it looks like we got charms. Oh my gosh, this charm alone was $10. And then we've got this charm. This one's $10. Here's another charm. Here's some little buttons, another marker, some more buttons. Oh my gosh, this one has just got so much little stuff in it. More charms. Oh, my daughter will like this. We got a little Disney Tijuana. And then we got little pour spouts. And then we've got some little starfish, another chalk marker. And then, oh, that's pretty cool. You make them. And this thing alone was $12, and this whole box was $10. And mind you, that's clearance, 12 on clearance. And then, oh, it looks like we got some more gems. We got some little beads. We got some more little bracelet kit. Oh, we got some infusible ink. I actually like this one. I've used this one before. Hopefully it didn't get damaged in the cut. And then we got some Fiskars, different little attachments for the X-Acto, some more gems, and just a piece of wood. And pillar. Oh, these are candle modes. This is actually really nice. I do make candles, guys. So you guys should watch my channel because I do some candle making on here. So these are actually really nice. These are pillar candle molds. And then, oh, it looks like we got another gem. And then, oh, a little TV plushie. And I think that might be it. All right, so that's it for this box, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. I have 3 more boxes I'm gonna open. So this, like I said, this is the one of the 4. So please make sure to follow along. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share these videos, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.